Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give complete explanation about multiple job opportunities from all over India. So watch the video till end, don't skip out guys. I am hardly going to provide 8 MNCs from all over India. So if you have any doubt, comment me. I will provide link in the description. I will mention so many kind of skill set for which company requires. So don't pay any amount to any company, they won't charge guys. So watch the video till end, don't skip it off. If you skip, you will miss so many content. The first one going to be a job listing from Enacon. This is what they from TCS NQT graduation mark from graduate training engineering, and second one going to be a mastercard from software engineering, junior programmer from IQVIA, and Sutherland from software development or testing, my Anthony from global network. So this is what the one of the easiest way. And the next one will be Volvo started there for software engineer role, technology processed from the company BAB Racing. The first one going to be in BAB Racing from technology product, which BE, BTech, ME, MTech all can apply for this role. All branches can apply. This is what the expecting from the qualification. BE, BTech, ME, MTech, voice certification if you are done, no problem, full time they are hiring guys. The next one going to be World War started their hiring for software engineering from freshers from all over India. Complete explanation from freshers. With BE, BTech, ME, MTech all can apply for this role. Any proficiency in Java or middle learning, they are going to apply. So the next one going to be Capgemini hiring software analyst through, which is going to be an My Anthony website from hiring software engineer from work from office Bangalore, 4 LPA plus 6 month training and 2-year bond they mention. BE, BTech, ME, MTech from CSIT and ECE, C embedded if added advanced. They mention the skill set. Interview rounds, 2 rounds of interviews, C programming language, tech and HR interview. And just a minute, you just want to first verify your mail and start applying. After fill your exam by submitting, you will go through direct exam page. So be prepared, don't prepare without going and wrote the exam. So be prepared guys. And software development engineering or testing from Electronic Cities Bangalore from Sutherland started their company for. And the qualification, all branches from BE, BTech, ME, MTech can apply for this role. BSc all can apply, they won't charge any amount. And the next one going to be IQVIA started their hiring for junior program Chennai from all over India. BE, BTech, ME, MTech all can apply for this role. Bachelor degrees from all branches, SQL is added advantage. And the next one going to be mastercard from software engineering from Pune location. BE, BTech, MTech student from 18 to 2022 batches. And this is what they from graduate training engineer from TCS NQT. With the help of TCS NQT mark you can start apply. They can mention mechanical as well as electrical, shortlisting and direct interview. So this all the company started their hiring. If you have any doubt, comment me. I will provide 5 to 8 MNs per day. So you can visit our channel at any time. Thanks for watching.